Hi everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be working in the border behind me and I'm going to be making it a bit wider. So the plan is to add a few centimeters to this border to make it a bit wider. It is south facing, but because of the hedge, it is part shade, part sun. The fastest way for me to get the additional space that I need would be to use the no-dig method to create the additional space. And the materials that I'm going to be using for that purpose would be the cardboard, the compost, the lawn stones, and water. So the first thing to do would be to lay down the cardboard in order to suppress the grass and weed that is currently growing in the space in which you want the garden bed to be enlarged by. So while the cardboard is playing the role of suppressing the weed and grasses that are currently growing in that space, the lawn stone is going to be holding the cardboard down and also serve as an edge for the garden bed or a pocket in which we're going to be putting the compost. By using the cardboard and the lawn stones to edge the garden bed, we really don't need to dig anything, and this makes the job much easier and faster, and the new area is going to be ready to be planted in straight away once we add in the compost. With the cardboard now in place, we're just going to be adding in the compost, and I'm using compost that once wet or moist is actually able to accommodate plants straight away. So by the end of today, I could still decide to bring in the new plants that I want to put in this space, and that shouldn't be a problem at all. Perfect. I'd like to say a big thank you to my two boys who always help me out in the garden. It makes me really happy to be able to do these things with them. And thanks, boys. We're done with this down part now. I'm going to go up and fill up the space at the top. I actually made the bed a bit bigger than I had planned to. But I could use the space, so that's no problem. So I'm glad that I really have compost available. I usually just order from a landscape designer that works around here, and he usually delivers quite a big quantity that I can kind of store in my driveway or something, and I just gradually take as I need it. So it comes in very handy when you work on projects like this to have the compost and the materials available. All right, so the garden bed is actually almost done already. All I need to do now is to evenly distribute the compost that I have placed here. But because I have that an existing garden bed already that needs maintenance, I'm going to be doing some maintenance first, taking out a few plants that I don't want to have here anymore, and then filling up the holes with some fresh compost. And then I'll be evenly distributing the compost, watering everything, cleaning up, and that pretty much is going to be it. So the border is actually complete right now. All that is missing are the plants and some water. So I'm going to be watering everything. And the reason why I didn't water the cardboard before putting the compost on top of it is because the cardboard, I didn't put that much of the layer was not that thick, and the watering that I'm doing and the rain that is yet to fall is going to soften that cardboard down very quickly, and it's going to be decomposing as very quickly as well. So there really is no need to get the cardboard wet first. It's not that much of a thick layer of cardboard, and it's going to break down anyways in no time. So I don't think it's necessary to do that because you water and the water goes down to the cardboard anyways. So that's it. I hope you found this video useful and that you liked it. I enjoyed making it and sharing this process with you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our next one. Bye bye. So one thing that I wanted to say is that because I used compost that is actually ready to be planted in straight away, I could put in new plants right now and they'll be ready to go. I don't need to wait for any breakdown of materials before beginning to plant things in this border and the new area of the border that I've just added right now. I could plant today and the plant should be good to go. So long as the soil is wet enough, that shouldn't be a problem.